The Zalman FIT mid-tower case delivers strong airflow thanks to its perforated front panel and 4 pre-installed addressable RGB fans that keep components cool while adding customizable lighting. Its swing open tempered glass side panel makes it easy to access your build while also showcasing your graphics card and cable work like a display piece. The interior layout supports full-size ATX, micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, long graphics cards up to 325mm, and mainstream air coolers, so it comfortably handles most modern gaming or creator setups. Support for a front-mounted 360mm liquid cooling radiator and 7 expansion slots gives plenty of room to grow into higher-end hardware later. You get practical storage options with a drive cage that can be configured for both traditional hard disk drives and multiple solid-state drives without feeling cramped. Front panel connectivity with modern Universal Serial Bus 3.0 and the thoughtful fan control compatibility, including a simple fix for certain Gigabyte boards, make daily use and setup smoother for builders.